Lakas talaga ni Fredcon. Hello, ma'am.
Kahit ako titibok-tibok, puso ko ay titibok-tibok pa rin sa'yo.
Salamat in English is thank you. Yeah.
Ang galing, ang galing.
You're so galing, mama.
What?
You're so galing. It
I don't
means talented.
Bobo ang puta.
So yun guys, may booking na tayo. Tinawagan ko na si ma'am, bali pababa na siya dito. Wait na lang natin. So guys, kinakabahan ako kasi mukhang mapapalaban na naman tayo ng Englishan Mukhang mauubos na naman yung English na pinag-aralan ko ng 10 taon Okay guys, hintayin na lang natin. Bahala na. Hintayin na lang natin si Ma'am Amel. Yan, pababa na daw siya. Bahala na to guys. Let's go. Syempre ready na natin yung Fredcon natin. Connect lang natin.
Intercom connected.
Yan. Lakas talaga ni Fredcon. Hello, ma'am.
Kahit ako titibok-tibok, puso ko ay titibok-tibok pa rin sa'yo.
Amel po. Aya. Okay. Shall we up? Okay. Do you want put in here? Wala niya. English. Talaga mapapalaban tayo ng Englishan, guys. Let's go, ma'am.
Okay.
We have microphone, mama. If you have talking about your life or anything else. How long have you been there, ma'am, in the Philippines?
What?
How long have you been there?
I think 6 months.
6 months?
Yeah.
Are you learn Tagalog? Speak Tagalog?
No. I speak Tagalog.
But do you have friends Filipino?
Friends.
Friends Filipino, do you
Yeah,
have?
I have. So many.
Ah.
So many friends in Philippines.
Uy, sana all.
Do you want to learn Tagalog, ma'am? If you want, I teach you, ma'am.
I say Tagalog
Yeah.
like harap. Harap.
Wow! Ang sarap.
Salamat.
Salamat.
Yes.
Ingat.
In English is salamat. In English is thank you. Yeah.
Ang galing, ang galing.
You awesome, huh? How about mahal kita, ma'am?
Aku cinta ka. In Indonesia, in English, I love you, right?
Right. Yo. You're so galing, mama.
What?
You're so galing. It
I don't
means talented.
Bobo ang puta.
First.
Yes, okay.
Here?
Yes,
Okay. Here, ma'am?
No, right.
Okay.
There.
Here?
Poverty.
Boberti. Okay.
Yeah, the market.
Okay, siguro dito.
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, take care, ma'am.
What?
50 pesos only, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Naubos yung English natin dun, guys. Walang joke. Ngayon, maghahanap tayo kung saan tayo pwedeng tumambay. Sana hindi umulan, guys. Umaambon-ambon na. Sheesh. Alright. 50 pesos. Sobrang lapit lang. 1.6. Hanap na ulit tayo ng booking. Let's go. Sheesh.